Now let's see how to use a wizard to create a snowflake dimension. We'll right-click on the Dimensions folder and select New Dimension to start the Dimension Wizard again. We'll use the bottom-up approach, use an existing table, and then select Next. And then for the main table, we'll start with the bottommost table, Product. We have Product Key as the key column, and English Product Name as the name column. Then we select Next, and because the data source view has relationships moving from product to subcategory to category, the Dimension Wizard detects those tables and prompts us to include those related tables. We have the option to ignore them, but if we want to create a dimension based on a snowflake, we would keep these checkboxes selected and continue to the next page of the wizard. Then all of the attributes from each of the three tables is displayed here. I can add other attributes as desired. Now, of course, we can rename attributes here, but I'm going to show you how to do that outside of the wizard in a separate demonstration. For now, I'll click Next. We have our product dimension name, and click Finish. And so there is our completed set of attributes, and we'll go ahead and deploy this. And when it's complete, we can go to the browser and we can review each of the attributes and make sure that we're getting the results that we expect. Product category key, for example, shows us just the key columns, which isn't very useful for our end users. So we'll need to make an adjustment in a separate module. Product key shows us all of the products, but we should rename this attribute to product because product key would not have any particular meaning to our end users. Product subcategory key, just like product category, only shows us the key values, and then we have size. So when we're creating the snowflake dimension using the dimension wizard, for the main table we can combine the product key and product name into a single attribute, but for other levels of the snowflake, such as the product subcategory and product category, we can only use the key column or the name column individually, and then we'll have to make adjustments in our dimension design by setting attribute properties to get the right values to display in the browser.